I'm at another place where we can find a lot of content for our Facebook page, and it's called Feedly, feedly.com. Now, there is a pro version of Feedly, which is a paid version, but we absolutely do not need that. The free version gives us everything we need for our purposes. So all you do is you go along to Feedly and you click on Get Started. You're going to get the option to continue with Facebook, and that's what I would advise you do. And then click OK when you get this window coming up. And then when we get this page, we can either type something in the search bar here, so we can search for a topic or a niche there, or we can scroll down and we can choose something from these images. So I'm just going to choose food, and then I'm going to click on desserts and baking. And if I decide I like this one catches my eye, I click on this link here, and then I can click add this to my Feedly. I just go down here and click add. And now if I want to find something to share, let's say I want to share this one here, cake cookies with Nutella. Just click to open it up, quick check through it, click on the little Facebook share icon here, and now it's going to give me the option. See, this is opened up, and I've got the option to share on my own timeline, which I don't want to do. I want to share this on a Facebook page that I have. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to choose on a page you manage, because all your Facebook pages will be managed by you under the same account. So I'm going to click on that. So I've chosen here to post it onto vegetarian desserts, which is a page that I manage. So I'm posting as vegetarian desserts, and then I'd say something about this. Actually, I'd say more than that. I would type at least one full sentence, possibly 2 sentences or even more, before clicking share link. Now, I'm not going to share that link because this is not a vegetarian dessert, and this particular page here is about vegetarian desserts, not just desserts. But this is to demonstrate to you how you can do this. So let me just close that down, close that, close that. And if I want to see a list of links, I can just click here where it says all over here on the left, and I can choose any of these to open up and share. Now, let's say I want to find something completely different. I just go over here to the search bar. I can choose any of these, or I can type something in. So let's go and click on photography, and it brings up some related topics. Let's type something in the search bar. Let's try baseball again. And here we have lots of content on baseball. You can also choose any of these links here. Let's click on this video. That's a pretty long post to share. Too long for Facebook, so this is not something we would want to share a whole post. However, there are some videos on here that we could share. So if we see a video we like, just right click on the video, and you've got copy video URL or copy embed code, but you want to copy video URL. That gives you the video URL to share on Facebook. And if we want to get rid of this, we just click this little cross here, and we've got the search bar back again. So we can search for anything else we want to search for. We can get rid of baseball, go back to the main menu, and search again. So Feedly is another great free place to get information and news and articles, all sorts of things that you can share directly onto your Facebook page.